Next question is from Gaurav. He's asking, what is Web API and how does it work? Gaurav, in simple words, Web API or Web Application Programming Interface is a way to transfer data between two different applications. That is the simplest definition of Web API I can say. So basically, Web APIs are used to transfer data from web to any other application, be it web application or be it other desktop application or be it mobile application. So for example, if you are creating a mobile application and you want to use authentication or you want to save the data of that mobile application, you will require a server and then you will require a web API which will give you the data from that database to your mobile application. It can't be directly as most of the databases doesn't have your any programming interface, so it can't be directly done. Even though nowadays many wrappers are coming around many databases, like I think Firebase has its own API, so you can use those kind of things, but again it's an API, so it's basically an application programming interface. As I said, that an API is used to transfer data from one application to another application. Now regarding how does it works, there are two types of web APIs, or I can say two types of web APIs currently. One is RESTful APIs and another one is graph based APIs. But at the end of the day, I think I don't know much about graph based API, so I can tell about RESTful APIs, which basically work on regular basic HTTP protocol, that is your get, post, put, delete. So you use basic HTTP you do the basic HTTP operations to call these web methods of the web API to fetch data or to send back data to them. The implementation of web API is different in different programming languages. However, the utilization of web API is kind of similar in most all the programming language, that you have to use a HTTP client or you have to use a HTTP object manipulator kind of thing. Like if I talk about .NET application, we use HTTP client object or HTTP client DLL or dynamic link library or HTTP client object to connect to a web API and then fetch data from there using our regular HTTP verbs, that is get, post or put or delete. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care. Bye bye.